conference and check it in.
Excuse me, do you want to share my desktop?
I share it, and you can you should press the Skype or another stuff such as that. But
Okay.
okay, this all is done. No problem. Sir? Yeah.
Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Geotechnical Investigation. Chapter 3, Structural Design. And Chapter 4, Methodology of Construction. At last, Reference.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. The general immersion tunnel refer to tunnel built with a special immersion method. They are usually underwater and considered better than other crossing like bridge or port tunnels. Tunnels are separate to bridge mainly that are denoted through ship navigation, especially for busy water channels. And it's called and limited builders. Element. Underwater gas crossing a river situated or would be creation or boring or sea bed. The service infrastructure need to connect to tunnel bed is considered by limit or gradient to they are suitable for car or train. Therefore, the deeper of the tunnel, longer less blade, the second need to be. Since both tunnels are generally constructed at greater depth, which is necessary for ground suitable during construction. They are often longer than immersed tunnel and hence more costly. Precast port tunnel may be also be technically more high a problem to construction. Types of the tunnel structure.
Okay.
Cut and cover tunnel. Constructed by excavation at trench. Construction at concrete structure to create the tunnel opening, trench, and covering with the soil. The concrete tunnel structure may be cut in the constructed from precast elements. This will take RC in this report. And this two cases in the cut and cover tunnels the success analysis in mechanical observation. That's for tunnel the process on the ground by immersing perché element of the cut and the tunnel.
Okay.
Number 5, shaft. Shafts are defined as a vertical steeply inclined excavation that connected the tunnel created in the tunnel shaft. Shafts may be excavated at the surface or from underground back to the surface. 1.3 tunnel shape, tunnel element. There are three main shapes: highway tunnel, circular, rectangular, and horseshoe or linear. The shape tunnel depended on the method used. Constructed tunnel the foundation. Utilization. Technical investment program that project must be provided means and the method of necessary characters and properties as a basis for planning, design, and construction of the tunnel and the related underground facilities to identify financial construction risk, and review available information, topographic data. Topographic maps and area are useful of showing terrain and geological features. Subsurface investigation. Subsurface investigation is the most important type of the investigation to obtain condition as it is. The principle here is 1. Define the subsurface profile. Then define soil and rock material properties and mass characters. Identify geologic animals, fault zone, and defining the hydrogeologic condition. Identify potential construction risks. Modeling are used to identify the subsurface and obtain the distribute or an undistributed for visual construction and laboratory testing. Third tests are commercially and used using testing the area generally movement carefully of the design and variation of coming to the not as you have more low element from the
Yes, ma'am. As you know, I so have wrote such as scattering. You didn't structural design. Explain the design. Three structural.
Okay. Design that is remember to the high load can be paragraph
Oh my. Last channel to continue your presentation. You don't have time to present again. Yeah.
Can let him the last student in the show.
Okay. If it's possible, please call him and make your speaking Mr. Speaker to present his presentation. His presentation because it's the last chance for him. As I said, we don't have any time to choose another time for a presentation again.
Yes, Dr. You can choose another student.
Thank you.
Can I read seminar?
Oh, what, my friend? We love for time. Love for time. What for you? Yeah. Go on. Your view. Yeah. Go on, guys.
Okay.
Correction method. Or constant method. Yeah. Go on, please. Constant.
Started driving this RSC LR and Earth. Enrollment concern like and prominence really so and China by them and Marwan together. The construction, the element that set up is fully efficient and the top of an individual energy joining together is critical to ensure there are many systems from Earth, for example, which is relevant. And one join. Join we use for element. All this joining color project from the jacket example of this step ensure that between element is provided by compression of rubber gasket at entering into the on the joint fourth element not very constructed on the so to the can be just from the continue with the for
I lost you. Repeating it again. I can't run. I think lost you. Going to very bad and love it. Do you have any problem?
yes, I heard you.
Yeah, continue, please. Because we are
Yes.
Please go on. Please go on.
Continues.
Yeah, continue.
Are cast into the other end of the tunnel unit this and are iterated close furnace and are used to locate tunnel immersion joint cells. Normally, additional construction is provided close the end of the element facilities position of the end frames. The tunnel element will be brought to the surface on the controlled manner by removing water ballast. The amount of the water in each ballast tank will be limited to ensure the tunnel float with desired content free water around 300 millimeter. For this dimension will ultimately be selected to suit the length of toe and the segmenting wall height. The element will be towed from the basin and transported on to the outfilling area adjacent to the tunnel side where pontoons, access shafts, ports, and the other fitting required for the immersion process will be positioned on the tunnel roof. One outfitted the tunnel element will be towed the final location, which will be curated accessed by survey from several locations and diverted from the pontoons into the pre-trench by opening valve the end bulkhead and allowing the ballast tank to fill with water. 4.4 MS tube tunnel foundation and settlement. MS tube tunnel are found in the base of the trench. Therefore, basal operated foundation are constructed by ensure stability and minimize settlement of this tunnel. Gravel bed foundation course. The trench is excavated to up to 1.5 meter below the bottom of final tube position. A layer core sand or well-graded gravel is then placed to trench and accurately leveled. Sand floor foundation. Sand following involves a sand-water mixture being jetted under the tunnel tube via pipe system. The bottom slab while the quality position and on temporary supports, while foundation or ground improvement. Only in usual circumstance where the soil beneath the tunnel is too weak to support it and cannot be commonly exhibited are replaced with better material are immersed tube. Are immersed tube tunnels placed on the pipe foundation. Under normal condition, immersed tube will not suffer and soil settlement because the height is designed to differ only slightly from the soil which it replaces. 4.5 trench tunnel. Another side, Doctor.
Yeah. I said it, but I said it.
Yes, okay. And trench of immersed tunnel. The side slope of the tunnel trench should be such a manner of the ensure stability of the trench during the period from dredging and until the backfill has been placed. Harder material such as rock, this side slopes can be near vertical, but can be as shallow as 1 to 4 is soft material. Typically, a slope of 1 or 1.5 is visible. Dredging is normally done in several stages. This consists of dredging initially with the dredging of the final dimension be constituted a few element length. Head of the element being placed and the other to keep the time in better between the operation and final element placement to minimum. Before the foundation is constructed, the trench checked for any sediment accumulation and this removed as required. The top of tunnel should be preferred be at least 1.5 feet original bottom and to allow jacket to the this is not possible to tunnel maybe period of the H or depending on the shape navigation and straight risk accident impact. The fall must be protected against erosion by current with a rock blank or similar means.
This makes sense.
Can you?
Yeah. I said next is the start, the figure of the tunnel that explain about that, the construction about that.
Yes. Construction foundation.
Okay.
Slide,
Yeah. Construction technology, creating foundation. Yeah. Go on, please.
Yes.
Go on.
Foundation. Counting foundation is one of question. Technical, which consists of excavation of trench by gravity. During the staging, two ground slopes were set up to ensure their stabilities and the from the bottom top are 1 2 and 1 4 2 stage formation. Formation at 60 centimeters thick gravel layer was based on the surface of the trench. After immersion, the element was supported at temporary foundation and 1.5 meter log filling. Operated at both sides of the tunnel. Routing was injected to fill up the 40 centimeter gap between the element and the gravel bedding as a shown figure. Based on the large scale simulation test, the distance between injecting holes was designed as 5.5 meter and the grouting pressure was designed as 0.05 megapascal higher than local water pressure. Based on the indoor and inside material test, 3 types of additives were added: the mixture formulation, water, cement, ponton, flash ash as a mixture to improve the performance of the grouting material on stability, uniformity, and pumpability. The question of the grouting results was checked out by grouting among statistical observation holes and non-structural investigation at last site construction program.
Yeah. Next slide.
Thank you.
4.7. Yeah.
There is approximately time schedule for construction depending on the method, construction, and site conditions, even equipment that is used. The schedule consists of just construction stage without design stage. It's for different construction methods. The schedule starting from mobilization, construction stage up to the demobilization as a figure. Thank you very much. Thank you for all students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you for your good presentation.
Thank you.
Mr. Adil Shaya, your score is very good. I give you 95. 95 is very good point. Because in here, your yours is 95. Very, very good score. Thank you. Thank you very much of your president. Thank you. Ahmad Hamid. Okay, thank you very much. Ahmad Hamid. Ahmed Hamid. How are you, my friend? Is everything okay for you? Okay. You sent your patient, yeah? Ahmed Hamid. What? WhatsApp? You sent it in WhatsApp?
On chat.
Chat. Let me check it in chat. No. Chat is enough. Ahmed. Ahmed. Where is your presentation, my friend? Ali, my friend, let me check it. Let me check. Ahmed, I don't find your presentation. Check it. Okay. Your name is Ahmed or Ali? Ali or Ahmed? Is the
احمد حبيبي اسمي جعفر. احمد نزل البحث على الاسلامي لان هذا مو بحثك ترى بحث غير الطالب.
Okay. This your construction. Is yours construction?
لا this عاد شات سكايبي حتى يشوف. ماشي.
My friend, this low cost housing. It is not yours, yeah? I mean, light with. Yeah. Ali Ahmed. Ali Ahmed. But Ahmed Hamid. Again? Okay. Let me find it. My friend Ahmed, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Yeah. Shut down the door, the middle door over there, between two pages. Shut down the door. Yeah. Let's go on and start your presentation. Yeah. Please start your presentation.
Lightweight.
Lightweight concrete. Yeah.